Right, so we discovered an issue with our block here. These two cylinders actually have two cracks in them, and approximately the same spot on each cylinder. We suspect that those are the reason why we have so much trouble getting these liners up. It's just a really crummy situation for all involved, because now we're going to try to locate a new block. And of course, it's more expense. I mean, the customer isn't going to like it, but it is what it is. So we're trying to find a new block now. Hopefully we'll find something soon, and we can continue with our build. So as I mentioned, taking this block, we're loading it up and bringing it to the customer. We're going to show the customer what's going on. Hopefully he has access to another block, and we can go ahead and get moving on this build some more. So here we are at the customer's location, which is actually one of our commercial customers. They're the ones that are working on this project. And we're just doing the engine build of it. But right now we got to pull out another engine out of this 1956 Greyhound bus that their customer has, thankfully. So we did find another block. It's probably going to require us to tear it down some more, but you know, that's fine. At least we got another block. Hopefully this one's not cracked, and we can move on with our build. When I get down here, I'm going to show y'all this bus that their customer is doing. He plans on turning it into an RV, and it is a 1956 Greyhound passenger bus. So here we go. So this here is the Greyhound bus that our customer's customer is redoing. He wants to turn this into an RV. Right now you got Mr. Luke over there along with our customer's employees trying to figure out how they're going to get this engine out the side of this compartment, and I'm over here filming it because yay, YouTube. So I'm going to try to give y'all a peek of the inside real quick. We're going to take a look at
it's hard for
so
me to see it now.
I attempted to open the front door. Covered with wasps, bad idea. Here's the engine that we trying to pull. As you can see, it's nice and compact inside this little compartment. Okay, so unfortunately I couldn't get a good shot of the inside of this thing. There's just way too many wasps. It's been sitting here for gosh knows how long. I'm really not looking to get stung. But no exaggeration when I tell you the inside of this thing looks like it was hit with a tornado that was also on fire. Yeah, it's going to be a long build, it's going to be an expensive build, but when it's done, it's going to be a really cool build. And we're glad to be a part of this project.